guys, it's Pauline. I have 2 boxes here that I thought I would share with you. Let's take a look at one of them. All right, what we got here. I do have something from the Coach stuff picked up. Oh goodness! All right, so this finally came. I'm so excited. So this was the Dooney Bourke package that got lost by UPS. I had ordered this on July the 27th. It looks and kind of feels like a basketball. That's what I thought it was at first when I first opened this. I'm like, I got a basketball? I don't remember buying it. But anyway, I had to file a claim with UPS. I thought that they were just gonna refund my money, but they did find it. And this was sold out, so I couldn't get this again. So here we are. So I don't know what happened here. Hey, this is from QVC. Huh. This item was returned to QVC in error. I bought this directly from the Dooney Bourke website. Huh. Interesting. So somebody returned it to QVC, and QVC. Huh. This is interesting. So I'm gonna cover up my address here, but interesting. I don't know how that happened. They said it got returned to them. I didn't order from them, but maybe Dooney Bourke pulled it from them. That's crazy. Anyway, this is the name of the 2 pieces that I picked up. Okay, so I'm just happy to have gotten it. Now they said that it was returned. I don't know if it was a customer return or the package went to QVC. I don't know. That's crazy. Anyway, that's a mystery. All right, so let's see. Let's open this up. Oh, okay. I see how this is open now. All right. Okay. It's got the tags on it. Got wrappings on it. It does look like somebody rewrapped that, but whatever. As long as it didn't look damaged or anything. I don't have to have something that hadn't been touched by other people, all that kind of stuff. I am not a big fan of tassels, even though Dooney Bourke is kind of known for their tassels. I mean, I don't particularly dislike them. They just don't do it for me. But I like the braided zipper pull. This is lighter than I thought it was going to be, but I'm not unhappy with the color. I think it's unique, but it reminds me of a basketball. It really does. All right, and so we got the inside is red. The pebble of it is nice, but it feels like a basketball. But let's see. Oh, I have this little piece that was going to go with it. So this came like a couple of weeks ago. It should have come with this. And so this is the same color and everything. All right. So let's see what the handles look like, the strap look like. I think Dooney Bourke does a really good job with their handles. They do, in my opinion, a better job with their handles than Coach does. So this one is not adjustable, but it's very pretty. Okay. So we get a dust bag with everything. I like that about Dooney Bourke. And I got this, I think I got this on the I Love Dooney side, so they don't care if you get it from their retail side or from their outlet side. Okay, so we got a slip pocket here. We got a zipper pocket here with the registration card. And I rarely ever even bother doing this. I really need to start doing it. And then we got the little registration sticker there. And we have their serial number here. Okay, with the key keeper, of course. So, very cute. And we have feet. I love Dooney about that. They do tend to give us feet. All right, now, this is not exactly like this, but I thought it might kind of go with this. This was on clearance. So, this is a wallet. So, let's take a look at it. Let's take a look at it very quick. Not so much. There was a darker one. I think it was black. Now that might have went with that, but I still think I will probably wear it with this, you know. I think that's really cute together. It does have a little of that orange back here. Or is that red? That's probably red. But anyway, I'm definitely gonna wear it with this. I think it's cute, and I like that it will go with a lot of different purses. Now there is a purse that goes with this, that looks like this. I thought the purse might be too busy. I think it's a really good price too, like a little over $100. Now this is Pebble leather, I believe, and this is leather on the inside. And we got 1, 2, 3 card slots here, 3 over here. I guess you could put a card here. It doesn't have an ID window. That irritates me, but let's see. But it's nice. I like it. That is closed off, but you can put something back here. So, and it's stamped with Dooney and Bourke. And you can put your change or what have you here. So that is really cute. And I'm happy that this finally came. Y'all, I'm so happy that this got here. All right. So, let's see. Let's look at what's in my second box. All right. So let's take a look at this. Get my address on there. All right. Oh, wow. This is so tiny. This is not what I thought I was getting. Now, they had this up against the up against the model, and that is not what this looked like up against the model. Goodness. I don't know if I'm gonna keep this. I thought this was so cute, but that's too tiny. So anyway, let's take a look at it. I don't do well with dimensions. This is not leather, but this is a really good vegan leather. It's a really pretty purse. Oh man, it reminds me of the Dior purse with the handles like this. Oh, this would have been so perfect if it was bigger. What? Oh. So they had this marked down to $45. Or somewhere in that neighborhood, $49 or something like that. I got this from the Aldo website itself. Oh, it's too tiny. I mean, I could use this as a crossbody or whatever, but that is not what I wanted this for. So I'm not going to unpack that. I'm going to send it back, but I thought that I'd go ahead and show you guys. So you got a little pocket here, nothing up front. I mean, that's too tiny. I do tiny purses. Like I have a swinger, and I have a couple of swingers and stuff, but okay, deal with this one. Let's see, you can barely put a wallet in there. Okay, you could put a wallet and maybe a lipstick or something. Antibiotic. Ooh. You'd probably go with a card thing here, a card wallet here. Because let me see, I have something else. This is a Coach card wallet. Let's see. Now that goes in there better. Okay. Oh, isn't she cute? She's super cute. But I didn't know it was gonna be this tiny. I'm gonna insert a picture so you can see what I'm talking about. Up against the model, that does not look this small, unless there were different ones and they used the same photo. But anyway, that is what I had to share, guys. It's really cute. It doesn't have any feet. I love the color of the gold. I love this white. It's really not white. I would say it's kind of a ivory. See, but oh man, it's so cute. If it's just been a little bit bigger. I love it. It's cute. All right. But anyway, I'll think about it. I might send it back. I might not. My first thought was to send it back, but now I'm really looking at it. So anyway, I will link it if anybody else is interested in it. They had one that the flowers were different colors, and it was a little bit longer. I might do that one. What I am happy about is that this doesn't feel cardboardy, because a lot of cheaper purses, they feel like cardboard is underneath them. This does not. It actually feels, if you didn't notice, wasn't leather, it kind of feels like leather. It's really nice. So I think this is a higher quality cheap purse, and I was happy with the quality of it. This is super cute, but I'm gonna have to see. I'm gonna have to see if I'm gonna keep that. All right, but anyway, guys, this is what I wanted to share with y'all, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye.